wanted to make a channel for men, build a community, and my channel is called No One Cares. And what I talk about is survival, man, recovery, and building masculinity and becoming the best version of yourself. On my channel, I'll be giving men advice on how to maintain relationships, how to learn how to be alone, how to be a good father, how to control your emotions, use your logic first. I'll be giving guys different strategies on how to really be successful as a man and how to come from living in poverty situations such as out of your car, in the storage unit, and stuff like that. And that's why I'm here in the storage unit, because it was a time when I had to live out of a storage unit and out of the back of my car because I got out of a bad relationship, and I wasn't taught the importance of masculinity and being a man and putting yourself first. Just the way I grew up with a dominated mother, so I really didn't have a strong father in my life. So that's what this channel is going to be about, man. And I'm going to be posting roughly 3 to 5 videos a week. Comment, like, subscribe on my channel, and I appreciate you guys. And remember, no one cares, but just know one cares, and he wants you to become the best version of yourself. All right. No one cares. No one's gonna come and save you. If you a man and you get in a long-term relationship and in a marriage and you don't understand what it means to be a masculine man, what it means to be in control of your emotions, understanding that you're the prize as a man, then you're gonna fail out here. Always put your hustle first. Understand female nature. What happened to me is tough times, hard times made me learn female nature. Putting my all into a woman and not focusing on myself made things a lot harder for me. I had 2 kids. I have 2 kids, man. I love my boy and girl. But I had to go through the child support system. They took more than half of my check every week. And it was hard for me to survive and have a place to stay. I was working 3 jobs. 3 jobs. I would be in and out of court, and I wanted to see my kids more than I could. But even when I had my son or my daughter, we would be in the car riding around with no resting place. It was real tough when it's real tough when you riding around but you don't have nowhere to, get out and relax and go in the house and eat and cut on the TV. As a man, you can survive without luxuries, but when you have kids, you want them to have a place to go in and chill out and relax. But when most of your check is being taken away for child support and you're working 3 jobs and you still don't have enough, that can become a tough situation. So when you're in a situation like this, man, you got to come up with a strategy, because no one cares when you go to work and you damn near tired because you've been up all night working 3 jobs. No one cares. When the child support's taking all your check, no one cares. And I had to stop being a victim, man, because eventually you get tired of getting slung around. I mean, all your money is getting taken away, and you barely have enough money to live. It comes a time when you got to toughen up and start being proactive and delivering the blows. You get tired of getting hit from the left and the right side. You got to start delivering the blows and change your mindset and come up with a strategy, because your kids are depending on you. The people you love, who love you for real, are depending on you to succeed. No one cares, man. But the man upstairs, you gotta know one cares. He wants you to become the best version of yourself, man. He's got your back. You gotta keep digging. It gets cold sleeping in the car at night. It gets hot sleeping in the car when it's 98 degrees outside. It gets frustrating when you living out of the trunk of your car, and when you sleeping in your car and you sleep on the passenger side because you don't want to accidentally sleep with your foot on the brake. If you sleep on the driver's side, so you push all your stuff on the driver's side when you sleep, and then you push all your stuff back on the passenger side when you wake up. That's a tough thing, man. You always losing stuff in between the seats. It's a tough thing living in your car, man. Working 3 jobs. Too tired to see your kids. Child support taking most of your check. It's a tough thing, but you got to get back up, man. You got to start delivering the punches like Mike Tyson, man. That's why I like Mike Tyson. You got to get up and start delivering the punches like Mike Tyson. You got to be strong and come up with a strategy, man. There's a strategy to every chaotic situation. You got to understand how important it is to understand female nature and masculinity, and know that these women 90% of the time don't have your best interest at hand. They are never going to love you like your mother. And that's why I made this channel, No One Cares. Because no one is going to come save you. You got to change your mindset and understand, man, that the one person that you really need to get going is right behind you, looking down on you, wanting you to become the best version of yourself.